Yeah, dear students, yesterday I forgot to upload two questions answers from the give functions. First one, veins in the lamina. Now I am uploading that veins in the lamina. You know the veins and veinlets. We'll see the functions one by one. So functions of the veins are as follows. Veins and veinlets together support the lamina. Second, distributes water and minerals throughout the lamina. And the third, transport food prepared by leaf to different parts of plant. The second question is petiole of leaf. The function of petiole of leaf are as follows. It connects leaf blade with the stem. Second, it keeps the leaf well exposed to sunlight. Third, it carries water to lamina and takes away the food to other parts of the plant. So the question in exercise question C is name the process. The first question, loss of water from the surface of lamina. The name is transpiration. Second, formation of new plants from the buds present on the margin of leaf is called vegetative propagation. And third, synthesis of food from carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight is called photosynthesis. So in exercise, the next group is define the following. So define the following. The first question is define photosynthesis. The definition, the process of making food by the plants in the presence of sunlight with the help of chlorophyll, water and carbon dioxide is called photosynthesis. And second question is transpiration. Transpiration is the loss of water in the form of water vapor from leaf. And the third one is vegetative propagation. Some plants grow from vegetative parts such as roots, stem or leaves of a plant. And this is called vegetative propagation. The next group question is differentiate between the following. First question is differentiate between monocot and dicot. So monocot leaves have parallel venation and dicot leaves have reticulate venation. This is the difference between monocot leaf and a dicot leaf, main difference. Second question, the difference between simple leaf and compound leaf. A simple leaf, it has a single leaf blade, and a compound leaf, the leaf blade is divided into leaflets. Second, an axillary bud is present in the axil of simple leaf, and in compound leaf, axillary bud is present in the axil of rachis. Some examples you can see, mango, guava, peepal, all these are examples of simple leaf. And rose, neem, etc. are the examples of compound leaf. Now the next is reticulate and parallel venation. We will see one by one. Reticulate venation. In reticulate venation, the veins and veinlets are irregularly distributed in the lamina. But in parallel venation, veins run parallel to each other. And reticulate venation found in dicot plants, but parallel venation found in monocot plants. Here examples also you can see, mango, guava are the examples for reticulate venation, banana, wheat, rice, etc. are the examples of parallel venation.